like I said, I am not proficient with this. I have the instructions on how to do this. That webinar is going to help clarify all this, but we're going to look at it anyway now and see if we can get this going. But Peter, that's not what you said. Just because the overall position is more delta positive does not mean the delta of your long options change. It's only more delta positive, and just slightly, because those short options barely have any delta. It's just more delta positive because those options are now out of your position. Does not change the delta, does not change in any way, shape, or form your long options. Does that make sense to you? All right. So let's do this here. Okay. Let's take a look at square. Okay. And for right now we're just going to evaluate. But Peter, that's true. That's not what you said, and that's just why I was responding to your statement earlier. Okay? All right. For right now, we're just going to evaluate, all good, a calendar spread. So we can look at hopefully being able to adjust these volatilities. And let's look at, actually, let's see what the expected move. The expected move is about $4. Stock is 74. So let's look at the 78 calendar. Okay? So that's what I have populated down here. Okay? Everybody see that? And I'm going to ask that a lot because I'm just kind of fumbling my way through this as well. Okay, so you see that this is populated down here, this calendar spread. So the first thing you want to do is right-click on the order entry. Okay, and click Analyze Trade. Which maybe I didn't just do that. Analyze Trade. Why isn't that popping up? What am I doing wrong already? See? I don't know why my Analyze won't come up here. Okay, there we go. That's because I needed to be on risk profile. There we go. Got it now. Told you I was fumbling through this, guys. Okay, so here is what this chart looks like. But we know that volatilities are going to change, so we need to adjust volatilities. Okay? What you need to do next is click on this gear all the way over on the right-hand side. Okay, you see that? All the way over on the right-hand side on the order down at the bottom here. Everybody see that? And supposedly there is something more parameters, though I'm not seeing that. Okay, so where are we there? Click the gear. And look under positions. Drop down arrow, which I am not seeing here. Sorry, guys. Right here, Daniel? All right. Well, this is an epic failure right now since I can't follow instructions. Up. Right here. Well, when I click on the gear, I get this. But this is just for my parameters or order rules. Far left arrow under position in simulated trades. Okay, I'm doing that. Right below price slices. This is great that you guys are teaching me, okay? Well, it'd be great if I could find that. Which I just can't. Right below price slices, which I don't even see on my screen. I see that right here. Click these lines right here. David? Reset parameters? Is that what I want to do? Position and simulated trades need to be open. Okay, I thought they were. Do I need to hit reset parameters? Ah, look at that. Now I've got them in there, I think. All right, guys. Sorry about this. I'm just, like I said, I'm learning with you guys here, and I need to go through this with them, and I'm just okay. So when I hit analyze, this is what comes up. Right click on my order again. Anywhere, Pamela? Okay, and then what? Okay, got the risk profile up there. Hit analyze up here. Analyze trade. Okay, just did that. But I don't see the more parameters and how to get to the implied volatility area here. Get out of order entry tools, okay? Arrow with the line below it. Is your screen open all the way? Yeah. Yes, it is. Oh, look at that. Got it. Okay. Got it. Got the gear here. More parameters. There we go. And now here's the vol adjust. Okay. So, let's say that we want to adjust the May 3rd options down 30 points. Okay? And we want to adjust the May 10th options down 20 points. Okay. Yeah, Len, I'm recording this, though this is going to be more of a joke than anything else. All right. So I do see how that changed the shape of the curve here. However, we also want to get now, okay, set slices to break even. How do I do that, Pamela? Set slices to break even. Okay, now we want to see, though, what this looks like tomorrow. We don't want to see what this looks like on the 7th or on the 11th. We want to see what this looks like tomorrow. So do I change the date down here? Or this one? This one up here? Okay. Let's change that to tomorrow's date. Pick the 3rd down here. And change the price. Why am I changing the price? That's more like it. I was going to say that the graph before didn't make sense. This now makes sense. This graph absolutely makes sense. Okay, I'll put it on the 4th, which is, okay, upper date pick the 3rd, which is expiration. Okay, this makes a lot more sense. Now, let me take a screenshot of this because I want to compare it to what we see in I want to unlock this here. And what did that do for me? What did locking and unlocking the price here do for me? Okay, but Square is trading 73.88 right now. It's not trading 81.27. So I don't know why this is showing 80, that. I see it's picking up this slice right here for whatever reason. I did change the vol. Unlock it. Okay, when I do that though, it's not going to where the price is right now, because the price is trading 73-ish. Click on percent, okay? And what did that do for me? You have added a 10% price. Okay, I see that. What if I want just price where it's at? So I go to add slice. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's the price right there. Okay, and now how do I change? I don't need the 10%. I mean, that's fine. The 10% slice is fine. Okay. So let's just compare this. What I want to do for right now is compare this chart with the same parameters in live vol. But I want this to show what we changed our vols to, which we can see, I think, right here. I want this to show all of the series down here. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's make the percent 0. Okay, which percent am I making 0? At the top. Which percent? Right here? Change from 32 to 0. I wish I could. This right here. What does that do for me? Just curious. Okay, I see that I have a bunch of these orders down here. So let me, now I only have one. Oh, 2. There we go. Now I only have 1. Okay. That makes more sense now. So let's take a screenshot of this. And thank you everybody for helping me get through this process, at least to begin with. All right, so now let's get this out of here, but what I want to do here is take the same strike, so the 78 strike, and I want to use the same volatilities. let's see what this 3D risk chart looks like. Okay, now we want tomorrow's date. Actually, yep, tomorrow's date. And then we also wanted that date there. Okay, so let me get a snapshot of this. Put it on there. And let's compare these guys here now. Okay. Maybe a little difficult to see. I know that the shape of the graphs are the same. However, it's the P&L areas that I have to study a little bit further here, obviously. All right, so looks like I got it. Obviously not very proficient. I'm going to have to keep practicing with ThinkOrSwim there on the Analyze tab to adjust those volatilities, but at least they are, it's doable. Now I just have to, like I said, compare what the P&L looks like to see if it is the same. All right, thank you guys so much for helping me blunder my way through this. And I will keep at this. You want me to go back to ThinkOrSwim? Okay, hang on. Here you go. Here's ThinkOrSwim, Paul. Okay, Paul, is there something? All right, I'm not going to get that far into this yet. I'm going to play with this a little bit on my own so I don't really disturb you guys and take up all your time, which I appreciate very much. All right, let me just put this. Let me stop this recording. I'll post it. I don't think it's going to be very helpful to people to hear me stumbling and bumbling through this, but we'll see. And thank you guys for your help.